everybody, and welcome to this new video. Thank you very much for reaching out to this video. I'm the successful electronics who's posted on great electronic content. Here with me again. I want to make Arduino project again. Yeah, I want to make an Arduino project, and I decided to stand in this video tutorial. I want to just give you a quick intro and how I'm going to start making the project, and we will go to the connections eventually. Okay, now on this project I'm going to be using an Arduino. Yeah, you know, I mix a lot of projects using Arduino and using Arduino and module. Yeah, using Arduino and module. Now in this video I'm going to interface with the RFID module. I don't know if you know about it. It's actually a RFID module which comes with a card. Yeah, those cards is the card which is going to be recognized by the RFID module and going to send some kind of pulse signals to the Arduino that a card has been placed. Actually, these RFID modules are actually used in let me say unlocking doors, like safeguard doors. Like in case you want to make a simple project which you want to unlock your door, if you just get the card close to it, they say you want to get the card close to it and you want to when the card is when the card gets close to the module, it's going to unlock the door perfectly. Yes, this module is good for that. So that's just one of the examples which they normally use this module for to interface. But actually in this video I'm not going to make it any serious door locking system. I just want to interface with the card, connect it to the Arduino, and also an LCD screen to show me some kind of if the door is locked or if the door is unlocked. Like if the door is locked or if the door is unlocked. I just want to interface with the module. I'm not making it in any project. I'm not attaching it in any project. I just want to interface with the module and see how it works. And also you will learn a lot from this video. I'm Success Promise by name, and let's go into the tutorial. Peace. Welcome back. Actually you can see the Arduino. You can see the LCD screen right here. See the LCD screen right here. It's set insert card, and also you can see the RFID module tag right here, and you can see the brain of the project. Actually, the Arduino Uno. Yeah, I'm using Arduino Uno in this video. Yeah, I'm using Arduino Uno in this video. So you can see the programming cable right here. And as you can see, the two tags right here, these are the two tags which come with the module. This is the first tag and this is the second tag. Yeah, these two tags actually have different ID. Yeah, depending on the ID which you insert in the code, that is the one which the Arduino is going to recognize and is going to give you access to operating with the RFID module. Let me say this ID is 1234 and this ID is 2345. Yeah, if I insert the 1234 ID into the Arduino programming, then program it into the Arduino, once the Arduino senses this particular ID which I programmed in the code, is going to recognize it and is going to like unlock the door or switch a LED or turn on anything you want to interface with this RFID module. So this is the way it works and this is the way it interacts. Actually, I'm going to power it on so that you're going to see how it works. Actually, I registered this ID into the Arduino, but I didn't register this ID. So just let me turn it on really quick. Okay, now you can see it is turned on and it says insert card. That's what I write in the code, and as you can see the Arduino is turned on and you can see the RFID. Now once I place the registered ID into close to the RFID card, you can see what it says. It says card recognized. Yeah, this is what it says. Sorry for the light. And as you can see the ID right here. The example of the ID which I gave is not actually the main ID of the card. I was just giving for an example. This is the main ID of the card which I input in the code for it to recognize it. And yeah, this is the RFID. But if I put the tag which I did not recognize, you can see it says not recognized. Like, yeah. Okay, so this is how the circuit works. Let's go to the coding. Back now, right here in the coding, you can see the card which is recognized. This is the ID of the card which is recognized. I only put the one card ID so that it will only recognize one particular card. But if I use another card on the RFID tag, it's not going to recognize that because that tag number is not on the Arduino coding. I hope you really understand me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. And actually, you can see right here I put that if it actually recognizes this card tag, it should say card recognized, but if it does not recognize it, it's gonna say not recognized. Yeah, back to the circuit. You can see right here, you can see the LCD screen, it says not recognized because I added the tag which was not recognized. This is the tag which was not recognized. This is the tag. So if I put it, it's gonna say not recognized, but if I place the tag which I inputted in the code for it to recognize, it's gonna say card recognized. So you can see it right here. This is the ID of the card at the up and card recognized. So this is the project. Very simple, very easy to build. You can make this too at home if you want to interface with your RFID module, or you want to just play with some modules or interface with them. You can make it. And if you really want the coding of this project, you just say I need the code in the comment section, and I'll paste the code directly to you on the comment section if you really need this code to make project like me, and if you want to interface with this kind of RFID module. So this is it. Very simple. If you're looking for the connections, I'm going to paste the connections on the screen below right now. Follow my steps, follow the connections, follow the coding, program it, and interface with your module. Yeah, this is very simple and very easy. I just wanted to make this video as part of my interfacing with modules which I have here, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and support me on Patreon for more interesting electronic content like this. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also support me on Patreon for more educative videos like this. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. And actually in the description of this video, I added some kind of a link to my dad's medication. Yeah, you can support with any amount you can if you want to like help my dad. He's actually in the hospital right now. I just have some chance to make videos. But if you want to help my dad in any way, I drop a fundraising link on this description of this video. If you want to support, feel free to do so. And thank you very much for reaching out to my videos. I hope you learned something new, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.